Hi there. So you probably want to learn how to make a branch or an extension in your Google form. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I first went into my Drive to create a Google form. This Google form is going to see if my students want to go on a field trip. Oops. Field trip. So sometimes you have a question, it's a yes, no question. And so my question is going to be, do you want to go on a trip? And right away, Google's going to say yes or no all. So I'm going to add them instantly. And what I'm going to do is the answer is going to, if they say yes, I want them to figure out, select the place. So this is the trick. The trick is on your side menu, go to add section. This section is going to be the location place. I'm going to add a question. I'm going to say, would you like to go to a baseball game? And write another question is going to be, would you like to go to a hockey? I don't know, game. Okay. So we can also say, would you like to go to a baseball game? And then here it could actually be the White Sox. And here it could be the Cubs. It could be, I don't know, Cougars. All right. And then hockey game could be yes, no. So now let's go back up here. So do you want to go on a field trip? If the students select yes, then you want to be able to say, want them to go to this section to the location of the field trip. So what you're going to do is you're going to go here to see the three little dots. You click on, go to section based on answer. See how these appeared now? Let's do that again. You're going to go here, go to section based on answer. Do that again. Go to section. It opened up. And now if they say yes, you want them to go to number 2, the location. If they say no, they don't want to go on a field trip, then you want them just to submit the form. They are done. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what that looks like. We're going to preview this form. Field trip. Do you want to go on a field trip? Student says yes. They click next. Would you like to go to a baseball game? We're going to click. I'd like to go to a hockey game. So now you have an idea. Submit. And that's it. So let's go back. Go back. And now what I want to do is I want to show you one of my forms really quick. So here is the top form that I have. Open this one. This is a form that teachers will be filling out. It's in a draft form right now. But basically in this form, I asked a question here. Look at this graph. They can write an answer. And then here I said, in 3rd grade, or I should probably put 4th, 3rd grade, do you recommend we use this school year's categories and weights for next year? If someone says yes, whoops, this isn't, you know what? It's actually an edit form. I have to go in preview. Okay. So if someone says yes, they recommend we use the exact same form for next year. I go click next, and that's it. My form has been submitted. But let's say submit another one. And here's what a branch looks like. Should they use the same one next year? I say no. Now when I click next, it takes me to a whole set of questions that I will be completing. That's it. That is the end of my recording.